Some local food manufacturers are seeing about a 30% increase in demand for items like canned meat compared to pre-COVID-19 levels. And those we spoke with say that it was as high as 4 times the norm during the circuit breaker. Enterprise Singapore told CNA it expects current demand to continue or even increase amid the pandemic, with more people working from home and cooking for themselves.
This company is Singapore's largest maker of canned meat. Each day, thousands of these cans are lined up just like this to be sealed, cooked and packed. Golden Bridge's luncheon meat has been red hot since the circuit breaker began in April due to concerns about potential food shortages.
We saw an average of 600,000 cans per month. There is a sharp increase of 300 to 400% as canned food is the natural choice for consumers to stockpile. There are also demand surges in the foreign market. However, we channeled additional local productions to meet our local needs first.
It hired more than 20 temporary staff and extended operations to up to 7 days a week. Though demand has dipped since the circuit breaker ended in June, Ms. Lee says it remains about 30% higher than pre-COVID-19 levels. It's now looking to ramp up exports, with export sales doubling since mid-June. It's a similar picture at this manufacturer, which produces instant noodles under the Coca brand. Local and overseas demand for Tat Hui's items surged by more than half during the circuit breaker as more people stayed home.
We still are looking at close to 10 to 15% higher in demand compared to pre-COVID. And we currently have orders which will last our production line until the rest of the year.
Enterprise Singapore told CNA other items that were popular during the circuit breaker included flour, bihun and chilled wraps. The agency says it's been working with local manufacturers to automate the production line so it's easier to scale up. They've also been growing their digital marketing capabilities to reach out to new customers. For companies like Mr. Popia, these efforts have paid off.
The ready-to-eat wraps that we sold in 7-Eleven Cheers, every day before COVID is like maybe 1,000 plus pieces a day, but after that it became like 600 plus pieces a day. But from there, actually the 600 plus pieces actually converted to online by the second month of the circuit since the COVID.
Its online sales have doubled from pre-COVID-19 levels. Mr. Tan says it's looking at marketing products with a higher shelf life abroad, particularly in Indonesia and Australia.